Nation, how are you? How are we? My name is Fumidesaluvold. For those of you that are stopping by for the very first time, you are so very welcome indeed. For my regular viewers, I know you must be saying, Fumi, where is this? I am in Adrian's playroom. The sun is coming in and it's giving me so much light and positivity and so much energy that I said, you know what, let me switch it up and let me come out here. Also, I wanted to do that for those of you that saying, I don't have a studio, I don't have this, I don't have that. Get your phone. That was what I used for the first 3 years. Use your phone, get a chair and film. That's it. Those that love you will stay. Those that love you will not care about what you have. They'll only care about your personality. I am so happy and excited today. Thank you, Lord Father, for all that you have done. My baby sister and friend Christina has started her YouTube channel. Girlfriend has started her YouTube channel. After all of these years, Christina has been on my channel for the past 8 years. Look at how time flies. From 2016, before Adrian was born, she has seen me move house. She has been with me to California. She's been with me in New York. She supported all of my collaborations. I think about 5 or 6 of them. She was here when Adrian was born. She was the one that organized my baby shower. Christina deserves all of the flowers. She deserves all of the flowers, all of the praise, all of the support. And I am so happy. Now I have somebody I can be playing with in these YouTube streets. Congratulations, Christina. Your opening episode, the #1 introduction to you, was flawless. It was fabulous. Don't thank me, thank God. And the honor goes to you. Without all of the things that you have, then you wouldn't have a channel. You had it even before I came. Trust and believe that, my baby sis. So please support Christina. Go over there. The link will be here. The link will be below in the comment section, also in the description box. And go and support baby sis. All right? So excited. So excited. Can you see that my hair is growing? Oh, I'm so sorry. I'm sorry. Indecent exposure. The hair is growing like wildfire. When I tell you, I am living and loving, and so I am putting up shorts and I'm showing you what I'm doing and you're living for it. And I decided, you know what, for me, bring the makeup and put it up in shorts so that you have a whole bunch of stuff. Christina and I are also going to come up in shorts and do very quick trending topics. Talking about trending topics, a standing ovation for my beautiful Angela Bassett. She was given an honorary Academy Award at the Governor's Award, and it was presented to her by her wonderful friend Regina King. It was a wonderful moment between the two because they have been actors together in films since Boys in the Hood. Angela Bassett has done 100 films, and so she deserves that award. She has been deserved that award. And as we very well know, my prayers constantly go to Regina King because Regina King lost her son. I'm a boy mom and I can't imagine. So my greatest and my deepest condolences will always stand with Regina King and the power of her to come out and say, let me support my friend Angela Bassett. I am so happy that Angela Bassett got this award. I would have preferred if she had been sitting in the audience as actors do and was nominated and was given the award. Of course, What's Love Got to Do with It, 1994, was a phenomenal film. I'm going to play that award ceremony for you now. Holly Hunter won the Academy Award that year for The Piano. Another phenomenal film. But upon reflection, when I look back, it should have been given to Angela Bassett. Al Pacino was the one that read out all of the actresses' names that year, and Angela Bassett looked so fabulous. I wish that she had gotten that award.
It is a pleasure to be here tonight and to announce the names of these 5 wonderful performances. The nominees for Best Actress are Angela Bassett in What's Love Got to Do with It? Stockard Channing in 6 Degrees of Separation. Holly Hunter in The Piano. Emma Thompson in The Remains of the Day. Deborah Winger in Shadowlands. And the Oscar goes to Holly Hunter.
I am so overwhelmed to be with that group of actresses. It just slays me. When I was 6 years old, I started pretending to play the piano on the windowsills of my bedroom in the house where I grew up. And then after a while, my parents realized that I wasn't going to stop, so they got me a cardboard keyboard to play to see if that might, I would get tired of that, but I wasn't. I didn't, and so then they got me a piano. So for the next 10 years, they let me have piano lessons. So I need to thank Aline Parrish, my first piano teacher, and I need to thank my parents for letting me have these lessons. And Jane Campion, I love you, I love you. Thank you so much for giving me a character and an experience that was so difficult to say goodbye to, except that I don't have to say goodbye to it because it's everybody's now, and that is such a gift. And Michael Nyman, who really gave me a veritable instruction manual for a way into Ada McGrath by giving me the music that he gave me in the entire movie to experience. And Jan Chapman, our producer, for being so luminous and for giving the piano and all of us a place to flourish. And Harvey and Bob Weinstein, you also break my heart with your uncensored passion and support for this movie. And just thank you all so much for letting this movie in. And thanks.
I still wish that the Academy Awards that is going to present this year, that she had come up where it was seen by all and given the honorary award for her body of work, because she's done phenomenal films. I love Hollywood, as you very well know. I'm an actor. I love everything about it. I love the glam. I love the red carpet. I love it all. And I think really I'm very happy with how social media has come into our lives, because I really do see how very white these awards are. They're just very, very white. And that is why when I do the red carpet fashion police, I make it a point deliberately to bring out all of the black entertainers, actors, comedians, wives, supporters, presenters on the red carpet and give them their moment of what they are wearing. I do it deliberately because it's really, social media has really to see it for what it is. I can say, I don't go out to see black or white. Because of that, I can see when it's not even. Angela Bassett should have had this Academy Award a very long time ago, but she was so appreciative. I could see the happiness in her eyes, in her smile. Congratulations, Angela. Congratulations, Angela. Congratulations, Angela. Congratulations, Miss Angela Bassett. You deserve it. You deserve it. You've been deserved it. You deserve it. Congratulations. I am so very happy for you. May you continue to shine. May you continue to entertain us. May the doors always open to you. May the opportunities always fall at your doorstep. May all of the films that are for you be fanned and blown in your direction. For all of my black actresses out there that work twice as hard for half the pay, may you always have the sun shining on your glow. May you always have the wind blowing from your back. I'm emotional because it's not necessary to have to say this in this day and age, and yet it is so pivotal that we do that we do look at everybody, doctors, lawyers, accountants, engineers, taxi drivers, not at what they look like, not at the shade of their skin, but the quality of their work. So that's all that I have to say, my darlings. I am so very happy. Happy Monday. Happy Monday. And what? I will see you guys sooner than later. Do not forget to like and to subscribe. Not only my channel, but my wonderful baby sister's channel, Christina Ajayi, is right here in these YouTube streets. Subscribe. Subscribe, my darling. Show her the love and support. For me too. I don't mind. Let's get to 1 million. Come on now. And I will see you guys sooner than later. All of my love. I am wearing a beautiful dress. I know it's a little bit exposé. I'm so sorry. It's the way that I'm sitting. And you know, because I'm out here in the sunshine, in the sitting room, I don't have my monitor. So I can't see myself. I can only feel myself. So it's a little bit exposé. I know, but I'm going to cover it right now. Okay, we just leave it like that. And I am wearing an old dress from H&N, I think. You know, and yeah, that's it, my darlings. I'll see you sooner than later. All of my love. Mwah. Maria, I tell you, I love her so much. Okay, Maria, come. Maria, yes. Maria, take your hat off. Yes, yes, because so you can look pretty.
You can't see
come.
Your face.
Yes, come down, bend down. Say hello. 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 From where? Brazil. Yeah. Brazil. Bye. Fantastic. I love Maria. Maria is part of the family. Maria is actually my daughter. I've adopted her. Yes, I have.